This page is a fantastic example of affiliate marketing with TikTok. I can't even imagine how much money this person makes from their page. It's a goldmine. Just consider their 1.4 million followers and over 60 million likes. All their videos are product reviews. They review products found on Amazon, and their videos consistently get over 100,000 views. For example, this video has received 800K views and has many likes and comments. They're demonstrating a table in this video, and as the title suggests, they're also trying out an electronic bike. Anyone who watches these videos and likes the product will likely want to buy it and go to their profile. When they click the link in the bio, this page will appear. This person created a smart way to sell Amazon products and earns a percentage for every sale they make. Here are all the products they've made TikTok videos about. They've even created a search bar if you want to find a specific product. If you search carefully, you'll find the table we saw earlier. Here it is. We click on it. They've provided a link to the product page. We click on the link and it takes us directly to the Amazon purchase page. But you might be wondering, they get the products and film them, but we don't have any products and don't know how to make promotional videos like this. They have a big page and high views, but we don't have such views. No need to worry, we'll cover everything you need to start affiliate marketing and make profits as soon as possible. This video will show you how to find the best products or programs to promote, get good ideas for your videos, find trending hashtags for free, create professional videos with AI. Thank you for your wonderful comments. Don't forget to like the video so that it reaches at least 200 likes and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Opening a TikTok beta account and doing affiliate marketing can be a double win. Check my previous video for a deep dive into the TikTok creativity program and see how it can help you succeed. Link in the description. Choosing the right platform to find quality products and programs to promote is crucial to success in affiliate marketing. So, here are 3 popular options, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates offers a wide range of products, making it easy to find items relevant to your niche. It provides easy-to-use tools to track your performance, analyze data, and optimize your campaigns. However, it has its drawbacks. Commission rates on Amazon are relatively low, especially for popular products. In addition, the platform is highly competitive, making it difficult to stand out and earn a significant income. On the plus side, Amazon's extensive coverage spans millions of products and items, ensuring there's something for everyone, and integration with your website or social media is seamless. While Amazon Associates enjoys advantages such as global reach, recognition, and a transparent commission structure, it has lower average commission rates compared to some other platforms, a more stringent approval process, and a limited cookie duration. Becoming part of the Amazon Associates program allows creators, publishers, and bloggers to suggest and share millions of products with their audience, and they can earn up to 10% in associate commissions when individuals make qualifying purchases through the shared links. 2. Impact. Impact is a platform that comes with some great perks. It offers a wide range of high-paying programs covering different fields, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Especially useful are websites and programs such as education, editing, design, and blogging programs. It has the most famous programs such as Envato, Coursera, and Namecheap. Marketing for such programs is very profitable, especially when there is a monthly subscription. If the customer uses the program monthly and pays, you will also earn commissions every month. It offers advanced tracking and reporting tools, making it easy for you to see how well you're performing. However, the approval process can be competitive, and the platform's interface may seem a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. 3. More Niche. More Niche stands out as a leading health affiliate network, having distributed over $57 million in commissions since 2002. Renowned for its high-converting programs available in multiple languages, the platform offers enticing features such as up to 70% commission, lifetime cookies, and chargeback protection. With bi-weekly guaranteed payments and diverse payout options, joining now provides access to quality brands in health, fitness, and weight loss, unlocking your unlimited earning potential. While More Niche excels in the realm of high-commission niche products, with easier approval processes compared to platforms like Impact, it does have its drawbacks, such as a more limited product selection compared to industry giants like Amazon or Impact. More Niche primarily focuses on the health niche and may be less suitable for those seeking a broader variety of offerings. Moreover, More Niche ensures regular and timely payments, with earnings sent every 2 weeks at no additional charge. Choose your preferred payment method from options like Skrill, Wire, Bitcoin, Paxum, UK Bank Transfer, or Wise. Payments are scheduled on the 15th and the last day of the month, and you have the flexibility to receive your money in different currencies including GBP, USD, or EUR. The best part is, no fees are charged. Withdraw your earnings starting from $50 $100 or €100. It's easy and simple. You can also participate in programs outside of these platforms to promote each program and withdraw profits separately. However, these platforms streamline the process for you, and some programs may only be accessible after joining these platforms. Once you've selected a product or several products on TikTok, you won't be able to add a link to your bio until you reach 1,000 followers. However, reaching 1,000 followers is manageable if you know how to publish videos effectively. I recently learned that when posting a video on TikTok, it is advisable to shoot it directly from the TikTok app. Open the camera and record a video of your face or the computer screen, for example. Ensure that the video is captured within the TikTok application. Use the text provided by TikTok, apply any filter, and choose a trending song. You can opt to turn off the music if you prefer. The key is to choose a popular sound, add relevant keywords, and include hashtags to boost views. As you know, choosing a video idea and using the right hashtags are among the most important things to increase interaction on your TikTok videos. I have good news. I'll share a secret website that automates this process and helps you discover the latest trends on TikTok. The TikTok Creative Center. The TikTok Creative Center is a free public resource library for anyone looking to create successful content on TikTok, whether it's for personal use or business purposes. It's essentially a one-stop shop for all things creative on TikTok. To access it, simply go to Google, search for TikTok Creative Center, click on the first site, and navigate to Trends, and select hashtags to identify the currently popular hashtags. Utilize these hashtags to broaden your reach, making it easier for people to discover your content. Even if the hashtag isn't directly related to your content, using a trending one can provide a significant boost. Look, the top 3 hashtags from the last 7 days are right here. Use them in your video caption. You can find hashtags for specific topics like education, business, and food. Depending on what your video is about, pick the right category. I might choose business services, and I can also aim for a particular country or go for all countries. Like now, I'm choosing France. It gives us some great hashtags. And there's more. If I pick financial services, I'll see hashtags with lots of views like enterprise, which got 11 million views, and there are plenty more to explore. You can also discover the trending songs. Find the song everyone loves and use it in your videos. Even if you don't want music playing, using a popular song can still give your video a trendy vibe. Simply turn off the volume in the TikTok app when you share the video and you're good to go. You can also find the top creators to get inspired and see what kind of content is working for them. Learn from their success and explore tutorials and tips they share to improve your skills. Additionally, you can discover local hits and see what videos are trending in your area. Get ideas for creating content that resonates with your local audience. This is a great way to tap into a specific market and build a loyal following. The second way to search for ideas and the best keywords, open TikTok and tap the search bar. Type the keyword or phrase related to your niche. As you type, TikTok will suggest other keywords and phrases related to your search. These suggestions are based on what other users are searching for, making them valuable insights into potential video ideas and relevant keywords. Let's say you're a travel blogger. You could search for travel and see suggestions like travel tips and travel destinations. You could then create videos based on these suggestions, such as 5 travel tips you need to know or top 10 travel destinations for 2024. Now that we know the right way to post videos on TikTok and how to search for viral ideas and trending hashtags, I'll introduce the best AI tool to create professional short videos. Whether it's promotional videos for a product, short educational videos, or motivational videos, it can do it all. For example, let's say we want to create a video about health and fitness, providing tips and guidance. We can ask Google Bard for tips in this field, and I've selected these tips. To create a video, we can follow the method I just mentioned, shooting the video directly from TikTok or using AI. The AI-powered website I recommend is InVideo AI. InVideo is one of the most popular AI-powered video editing tools. You can create videos in various formats, including promotional, educational, and marketing videos. It's user-friendly and suitable for marketers, YouTubers, and content creators. I'll leave the registration link in the first comment. After registering, you'll see this page where you can find templates. InVideo offers over 5,000 editable templates for various purposes. Another feature is AI text to video, where you provide a specific text and it turns it into a video within seconds. Even if you don't have a script, you can create one within the platform. It's best to choose a template and customize it. Click on Templates, and you'll find numerous templates for different categories like education, finance, health, etc. You can use the search bar and enter keywords like health and fitness. I like this template, so I'll use it directly. Click on it. Choose the video size. I'll go for 9/16 and click Use Template. Now, the video has appeared. Firstly, I will delete this music. Then, I'll start modifying the text. I'll copy the first sentence, maintaining good health and fitness, We can change the font and text size, making it larger or smaller. To edit the text, click on Edit, paste the sentence here, raise it slightly to display the text fully, and also adjust the word below, making it slightly larger. Next, I'll edit the second segment in the same way. I'll copy the second sentence from this text and paste it here. I'll delete the word Step 1 and replace it with a number like 1, for example. To change this segment, go to Videos, enter the keyword Diet in the search, click on Filtering, choose, for instance, only free videos, then drag a video from here and place it in the position of the first video to be replaced. I can choose any part of the video I want to use and click on Add. See, it's replaced, but it didn't take up the entire space. Click on Fit Type, then click on Crop to Screen, and now the video occupies a larger space. Now let's move to the third part of the video and edit it in the same way, editing the texts and video clips until we finish the entire video. You can also use photos from images if you want. To add sound effects, go to Music, then click on SFX. Here you'll find a wide library of sound effects. I'll choose Ambient, where we have sounds of nature, city sounds, and birds. I'll add this. Of course, this isn't enough. We also need a voiceover. To add it, click on VoiceOver. We have options here: automated text-to-speech, import from uploads, upload your VO file, and record voiceover. You can use the voices provided by InVideo. It will generate them for you in seconds, but I don't like how they sound. So I'll go to the 11 Labs website, which offers thousands of professional voices. First, copy the text, then go to 11 Labs. Choose a beautiful voice like Adam, paste the text here, click on Generate, then download the voiceover. Now go back to InVideo, download the voiceover, add it to the timeline, and adjust each part of this video to match the speech. After finishing the edits and making the speech synchronize with the video is ready. We can download and share it on our TikTok account.
Maintaining good health and fitness involves a balanced approach to diet and exercise. Incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals to ensure a diverse range of nutrients. Opt for whole grains and lean proteins while moderating your intake of processed foods and sugary beverages. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Need more tips? Follow me.
Click on Upgrade to Export. It asks us to subscribe to download the video because I used some non-free videos. InVideo AI offers 3 pricing plans. 1. Free plan. Limited features with a small watermark on the video when downloaded. 2. Business plan. Access to all features, downloads 60 videos in high quality without a watermark, and provides over 1 million premium media. 3. Unlimited plan. Access to all features, unlimited high-quality video downloads. Of course, the business plan is good and sufficient for our work on TikTok. Thank you. If you found this video helpful and would like to see more educational videos like this, please like, follow, and share the video with at least one friend. By sharing it with just one person, you can help spread the knowledge and benefit everyone. Thanks.